Hello guys, good afternoon. It's me again, Janice. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a snacks. Gonna make some. This is a sweet potato. So I'm gonna make sweet potato caramelized with sugar. So I have here, it's a whole one sweet potato. So first we have to fry this one. So now let's get started. So now I have here a wok on the oil. I don't put so much oils, so this much is enough. And then it's already heated up, so it's ready to go. This is it to go. So we just have to dump our sweet potato. We have to put everything. This is just only one sweet potato because I'm the only one will be eating this. Maybe my daughter will have some of it. So first they just fry this and cook. So now this is okay. We have to remove from the pan. This is okay now. Now in the same pan, we just have to dump our brown sugar. I have a brown sugar here. I just have to estimate. It's just like about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then first we have to melt the brown sugar until it gets caramelized. Then before we put it back our sweet potato. And now this is perfect. It's already melted. So we put it back our sweet potato. And then just give a good stir. So everything should be coated with the caramelized sugar. So this is done. So we have to remove it back again and pour it in a bowl. So our sweet potato with caramelized sugar is ready. So now our sweet potato with caramelized sugar is ready. Sorry. So it's very looking nice, and of course it stays nice. Always. You never go wrong with the sweet potato. See? With the caramelized glazed sugar. So thank you guys. So I hope you enjoy my quick snack recipe. I don't know if we call it recipe. It's just very easy. Everybody knows about it. So until next time guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.